Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Visual Studio Code. So, let's get started. So, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google Fonts. To do this, open any browser on your laptop. And then click on the search bar. And type Google Fonts in the search bar. Once you're done, hit the enter. And then from the results, click on the first link that says Google Fonts. Once you are there, if you want to explore different fonts, I recommend filtering them by mono styles since they work best for coding. Or, if you already have a font in mind, you can just search for it directly. For this example, I'll go with Space Mono. But you can choose whatever you like. After you've found your font, click on it. And then click on the Get Font button. And then click on the Download All option. When you click on it, it starts downloading. Once the downloading is complete, open File Explorer on your PC. And then go to the Download folder. And here you will see your downloaded font. Simply double-click on it to open it. And then select the font that you want. It could be bold, italic or some other. Once you select the font, you will see Install button. Simply click on it. When you click on it, it starts installing. Once the installation is complete, now, close File Explorer. And open Visual Studio Code on your PC. Once you are in the Visual Studio Code, click on this little gear icon at the bottom left corner. And then from the menu, click on the settings to open the settings. Once you are in the settings, then in the search bar, type font family. Once you type it, here, you'll see the font settings. Now, just put the name of your downloaded font, like Space Mono, in front of the other fonts. Make sure to spell it exactly as it appears. Otherwise it won't apply. Once you're done, now, check your code and voila! Your code's got a whole new outfit. It's that easy. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.